What's good, guys? It's Mr.Cre8ive here with a new video. Today we're going to be building, or should I say rebuilding, my exhaust fan that I used in a previous video, which was the wood burn coaster video that I made 4 or 6 years ago. And I feel like it would be a good idea to rebuild it. So here's the old one right here, and you can see it's just some screen on the front with a little bit of like a spongy mesh in here. 4 pieces of wood and some screws holding on a 120 volt fan. This fan is, I mean, it's okay, but I want to put a 12 volt fan on here instead and put some other type of material, and also clean this up because this has really sharp edges, and I could easily cut myself on that, and then probably paint it a nice orange or repaint it green again. So we'll see what happens with that. So we're gonna be rebuilding this, so yeah, stay tuned. Okay, and now we're here with our exhaust fan, and now we're gonna take out all the screws. So everything, like the front mesh and the sponge material is scrap right now. We do have this fan, which I'll be reusing for a different project later on. We'll see. And this is pretty much scrap right now, but I'm going to go measure these out so I can kind of get exact. Because I have a 12 volt fan that looks exactly like this one, and we'll be using it. So yeah. Okay, so what we're going to replace everything with is this Dynex 12 volt fan. It's a 120 millimeter fan, I'm pretty sure. And then we got this piece of wood, and we'll be cutting this up. I've already pre-measured all of our little grain pieces and put them out on here. And so we're going to go cut those with the miter saw, and then we will have all the parts. So that's mostly it. We've put in the fan, we've put in all the little corners that hold the fan in, made the main box, and yeah, I'm really pleased with how it turned out. But now we need to go do the electrical, get the sponge and the mesh put in, and then we'll give it a spray and give it a quick test. Okay, so now the final finished product is all completed. I skipped through a few parts like installing the fan, the mesh, and the little corner pieces that hold in the fan because they're kind of difficult. I haven't painted it yet, but that will be in part 2 if I do a part 2. And so yeah, so it's running off my power supply, so I'll go show you now. Okay, and here we are. You can see it's running. I got my power supply back here. I can just turn it off real quick. The fan slows down, you can see in there, and I'll show you the back. So here's the side right there, we got our cable coming out. Other side, our back has a countersink fan in it and everything, which looks really good, and I'll show you it popping on real quick. See, it's pretty nice. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this project build. Hopefully I'll do a part 2 where we paint it and put in the actual mesh. And it will also be where we test it with real solder and stuff. So stay tuned for that. And so yeah, so this is it. And it will keep me safe from all those fumes that come off when you're soldering. Because those fumes aren't exactly the best. And I think this is a way better design than my old one that used that 120 volt fan. This is all ran off my 12 volt power supply back here, and it's pretty awesome. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Stay creative.